Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a OnePlus 9RT with the shut display. I think this smartphone just saved a life. Let's get to it. So this smartphone needs a new display. As you can see there, it has been shot by, I think, a BB gun, or maybe it was stabbed by something blunt. So we're gonna start our repair here by removing the back cover. I'm gonna spray some alcohol to agitate the adhesive at the back, make it soft and easy to remove. This is a replacement display. David is just gonna put it over the broken display, see if it matched. Yep, it did. So we're gonna try to check if it's gonna fit the connector underneath this daughter board cover. We're gonna attach the connector, see if it's gonna give us anything. And it's already on. Pretty nice. So basically the smartphone has been on the entire time, but we can't see anything because it's damaged. I'm gonna test the cameras. Still working, the back and the front. I'm gonna try to turn this off. And now it's off. So now we have confirmed that our replacement display is working, functional with the board. So we're going to try to open up this device, remove some components here, especially on the daughter board, detach some connectors, and expose the display ribbon cable. And remove this board, put it to the side. It's quite tricky actually. Now it's just bare housing. We can now focus our attention in removing the old broken display. I'm gonna slice through the adhesive. Actually pretty difficult. I'm gonna slice through it. We're not gonna reuse the broken display anyway. We're just gonna recycle it, properly dispose of it. Slice the other side. This action is putting more cracks on the display, but that doesn't matter. We're gonna replace it. And now the old display is off, and David is gonna meticulously clean off some of the old adhesive and shards of glass that may have been left behind while we removed the old display. And now we're gonna put on fresh layers of liquid glue. Gonna put just the sufficient amount and be careful not to cover up any speakers or camera holes. Here we're gonna attach the replacement display, which fits pretty nicely over the housing. And then we're gonna reattach it to the daughter board here. There's a rubber gasket covers the slot where the connector for the display is going through. That's the orange rubber you can see there. And now we're gonna reinstall everything. I'm gonna screw in everything as well. Put back the SIM card tray and the cover for the daughter board. And put back all the screws. So this one is gonna be fixed for now. This is a confirmed fix. And now we're gonna just final test it and give it back to the client. So if you have a 9RT, OnePlus 9RT 5G with a broken display, or you need a new battery for your smartphone, don't hesitate to message us here in the shop. You can also visit us if you're around Sydney. If you're outside of Sydney and you can't visit us personally, then you can just mail in your broken smartphone and we'll fix it here in the shop and mail it back to you in proper working order. So this is our before and after. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you learned something. We'll see you again next time. Like and subscribe. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious.